Hey beauties, this video will be quick. My name is KT if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back on in. We're gonna learn how to do this red smoky eye. It's a very quick video. Literally, it's so simple, so easy, and it's actually one of my favorite looks ever. I try not to wear it out, but I think like I'm finna start wearing it out because now I love the red smoky eye look. Like, it's giving. But okay, keep watching. Okay, so let's jump straight into our smoky eye. I'm gonna prime with my Huda Beauty concealer in the color Nugget, whatever it's called. I'm priming in that color. Then I'm just gonna add this on my lid. You know, the last time I did a smoky eye, it was a black smoky eye, and I actually primed with my black liner, my gel liner, and I loved it. So that's just a heads up. You know, if you're doing a black smoky eye, you can go ahead and prime with a gel liner. Like, it really came out really nice. But you also don't have to prime with a color this bright. You can prime with a regular color concealer because, once again, it is a smoky eye. However, my smoky eye today is going to be red, so I really want my red to pop, so that's why I'm using a lighter color, because I really want, like, you gotta be able to see my red. Now that you have your base on your lid, you want to go ahead and with your main color. So if you're doing a cranberry smoky eye, you want to go ahead and find you you know, a dark red or a burgundy kind of color, a cranberry color, you know, to start off with. If you're doing black, go ahead and start with black. I can't say that because the last time I did the black, I think I did do the black base, but so if you are doing the black smoky eye, you kind of want to blend with the dark brown at the top and a lighter brown, just so it can, you know, have a flawless ombre blend going on. You don't want it to be like just black and just like stuck, unless you just want like one color like the black, and then you're just going to blend it out really good, because that is also an option. I think I'm confusing y'all at this point, so I'm just going with my red smoky eye. I'm going to use this little short kind of fluffy-ish brush. Let me do my little hand. Like, who's trying to get us, Miss Mamas? So taking my red eyeshadow, I'm just going to start applying it onto my lid. And as you apply it, you want to kind of blend it upward. So as you move up, you want to blend lightly, like real lightly when you move up. Okay, so that's the first red I'm going to use, because that red is like bright to me. Like, that's like a bright red. And sorry guys, it's a custom palette I made a while ago, but I'm going to go ahead and use this red because this red is a little darker. And I'm just going to go on top with it. So now I'm going to go into the palette that I obviously cannot live without. And I'm going to use the Jamata, whatever it's called. I'm going to use that dark color. And then I'm going to use this on my lid. And I'm just going to be careful to blend this into my red, because I don't want the whole thing this color. I want my lid to be this darker, you know what I'm saying, because it's smoky. So you just literally just swiping it on there. And blending. And voila. And then you're gonna go ahead and take another brush with nothing on it, absolutely nothing on it, and then you just want to blend the top. And then you do your face part. Okay, so now that we've done the face part, we're gonna go ahead and take us a flat brush, and then we're gonna go into the dark red first, the one in the Juvia's palette, the dark red. Gonna use that color first, and then we're gonna go under our eyes. And you kind of want to pack that on. See how beautiful that is? I love it. I love it, love it. Okay, then now you're gonna go back into the red, the light red, the first one, and then we're just gonna use this and go under the eye, under the color we already used. So like up under here. And then you just want to place it, not too far under, y'all. You still want to like put it in, like mix it in there, but it can come down. See that? I don't know who's trying to break in the door today, but Miss Momos isn't gonna let them. Yeah. And y'all know I did a really bright under eye. I did not use my light pink blush. Y'all should be proud of me. But I am going to add some more orange. See, it just makes me want to pick up that pink blush for some reason. Like I feel like I should pick it up, but I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, so now at this point you want to add a pop in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead with this champagne color, and I'm just gonna add it into the corners. Okay, then you want to add your liner and lashes. Okay, so I've applied my lashes and my liner, my mascara, and my gloss. So basically this is how the smoky eye should come out. And isn't it everything? Like, girl, this is your sign to go to a red smoky eye, okay? Because no, this red smoky eye is my favorite. I remember when I first did it, I was so in love. And then I did it on a client, and she was like, no, this is a look. And I was like, yeah, right. And this is one of our favorites now, the red smoky eye. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all are liking the video, thumbs it up, comment whatever thoughts you have below, or whatever looks you want me to do next, because I'm open and sometimes I don't know what to do, so help a girl out. But thank y'all. See y'all in the next one.